Hello, welcome to Drop 35. I know it's already kind of late. The drop should have been released like a week prior, but it's like 5 to 6 days delay. It's my bad. Extremely sorry for that. जबकि अगला वीडियो आज मैं रिकॉर्ड करना चाहिए था, like the drop 36 should have been recorded today and released tomorrow. I'm recording a drop, last one. So yes, sorry for the late delay, but yeah, this is the drop 35, and I'll wrap up this very quick, really. So coming to my gradings, so I'm somewhere around 3.5. So last week was 3 because of my traveling, and last week was 3 because I was traveling, and the same thing, I was traveling in the last week as well because I came again back to Ahmedabad with this whole new background. You would have imagined that I'm back in Ahmedabad home. So last week I really improved upon few of my parameters, and I could happily grade around 3.5. So overall, a huge good week, and did a lot of exciting work as well. So moving onward towards the startup side of it. Startup side is going really tremendously well currently. Client side and product side both are extremely balanced and sorted in the sense of team and everything that you can imagine. So client side is like all great. So moving forward to the client side update. So client side update is going really great. The thing that we have been, I've been saying that it's been on autopilot and it's really working out, and we are seeing the benefits of it, and it's really great to have worked for so long, and now we are seeing the kind of results that we are. It's really helping us out to focus properly on both sides. So client side is really great right now, and on that front also they are working for launching their version of product as well. So yeah, really excited for that as well because we have kind of invested a lot of our efforts there as well. So yeah, client side really great. Now moving forward to the product side, it's also going extremely great. There are few great problem solvings and engineering we are good doing on the product front, but yeah, that's at the end of the day, that's not only sufficient. We need to go to more folks and interact with more folks, and that's what we'll be planning from the next month onwards, and that's for the November. I'll share more details of that in the coming in the next drop itself. So let's see, please stay tuned for that as well. And so overall, the thing that we have been planning was about team. So last 1 month was whole about getting all the departments ready, making sure they are at the relevant skills level which are to be required by us, like जो आना चाहिए सारी चीजें, बेसिक चीजें. So that is thing is sorted now. It is also kind of going in autopilot. So full on November and December would be kind of like action month, like कि पूरा action करना है, preparing for huge kind of a war or whatever you can say, huge challenge, or huge scale up thing from the January itself. So but yeah, आने वाले 2 महीने में we would really like to prepare ourselves and get things out as much as possible. So this is our whole product side update. Now the challenges are going great. I'm book reading थोड़ा सा travel की वजह से hurdle हुआ, but overall I think it's quite great. So that's good. Community building activity great, and I was like at all the places in the last week, so it was really awesome. And apart from that, drop is getting delayed. This was the one challenge that was I really doing consistently well, but last two drops I'm doing it, but they were delayed. So I would really like to see the coming drops on a accurate time. So वो वहाँ पे सही चल रहा है. And overall, this week's challenge is about getting serious. Like we would really like to now pull up our socks and get serious at our game. So next 2 months is about really getting serious, like about yes, we have to do it and we must do it at any cost. So that's what our goal is, because last 2 months that if you have been following me, then we had the target of getting to 5,000 folks since last 2 months, but वो नहीं हो पा रहा है due to a number of different reasons. That can be a different video altogether, but I would really like to see something in this coming 2 months, and we would really want to see uh, things headed up in the good direction. And yeah, we are really positive and optimistic about that. We are seeing the effect of it, but yeah, the actual tangible outcomes. So we would really like to be serious and get going. And this, of course, the speed that I've been for like working on since last couple of months. So speed plus yes, of course, serious hona hai abhi, and to actually deliver some outcomes. So that is what about this week's challenge is about. And overall, yes, quite a great week, and I hope you guys are taking care of yourself and your loved ones. So quite an exciting time coming up last 2 months, all festivals and all holidays. Hope you guys are enjoying as well, and keep me posted. If you like to see what we are actually building it out and want to get a demo video or whatever you want to see. So just hit me up. I would more than happy to help you out and guide you through the product. So it's currently the website details is creatosaurus.io, and just hit me up. I would be more share the details, more details to you. So overall, really great, and hope to see you guys in the next week. But it's tomorrow itself, like this video is. So see you tomorrow with a different drop altogether. This was actually the update of the last to the previous week. So kind of, yeah. So देखते जल्दी मिलते हैं, and we'll try to keep my drops really accurate and on the fixed time. So that's it. See you guys in the next one. Till then, stay safe, keep hustling, take care, bye.